Welcome back. A record number of Americans have signed up for Obamacare in 2024. The Department of Health and Human Services says it expects 19 million people will sign up for health care coverage by the January 16th deadline. Already, a record 15 million people have enrolled through the Affordable Care Act marketplace as of December 15th. That's a 33% jump from 11 million people over the same time last year. The marketplace open enrollment period on healthcare.gov runs from November 1st until midnight Tuesday, January 16th. Mask mandates are returning to some major health systems as another COVID variant spreads. It's one of several viruses driving up hospitalizations across the U.S. Fox's Steve Harrigan has more.
The COVID pandemic may be over, but a new Omicron subvariant is driving up cases across the country. According to the CDC, JN1 makes up about half of new COVID infections in the U.S., largely in the Northeast. That's up from 7% in late November. Public health officials say there is no indication the variant causes more severe disease than other strains, but with holiday gatherings and travel at peak levels, it could make people more vulnerable to the virus.
You create sort of this perfect environment where people can share and have less resistance to things they normally would potentially not get.
As COVID spreads, major health systems in Massachusetts and Wisconsin and other states are bringing back mask requirements in some locations.
While we may not get that sick, we can, of course, transmit it then to our, elderly family relatives, neighbors, co-workers, people we care about.
The CDC says RSV is also on the rise, with hospital admissions spiking 60% in the past month. A recent study from the New England Journal of Medicine finds the new antibody treatment is more than 80% effective in preventing RSV hospitalization among babies. The drug was approved by the FDA in July for children 19 months and younger. The CDC says as many as 80,000 small children a year are hospitalized with RSV. In Atlanta, Steve Harrigan, Fox News.
Well, a health problem for some seniors, obesity, is facing new challenges in coverage under Medicare. New obesity drugs are showing some results in helping people lose weight, but millions of older Americans won't get the chance to test it out. That's because Medicare is prohibited to cover those medications. Some drug manufacturers and lawmakers want to change that next year. A new class of drugs have been approved in recent years to help people lose up to 25% of their weight. But some of those drugs can range from $1,000 to $1,300 a month.